Hi, I'm Peyton, and today we're going to be going on the rainbow scavenger hunt. You're going to need your activity sheet, like this one, and a marker. Next, you're going to ask for permission to go outside. Mom, can I please go outside?
Yes, just be careful, make sure you stay in the yard.
Sounds good. Now that I'm outside with my parental permission, I'm going to go on a scavenger hunt. I see some green leaves, so I'm going to cross off the green box. And I'm going to keep looking. I see some yellow flowers down here, so I'm going to cross off my yellow box as well. I'm going to look for one more right now, and if I look up, the sky is blue today, so we're going to cross off the blue box. There's also clouds, so I can get the white as well.